Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing audio routing on your Mac. Install a 2CH virtual audio driver such as Black Hole. Open Audio MIDI Setup and create a multi-output device that combines built-in output and Black Hole. In System Preferences, choose Sound and set output to the multi-output device. This routes system audio through Black Hole while still playing through speakers. Keep the virtual driver name visible for the next steps in QuickTime. Next, configure QuickTime to capture the routed audio. Open QuickTime Player and choose File, then New Screen Recording. Click the small arrow next to the red record button to reveal audio sources. From that menu, select Black Hole as the microphone input. Choose whether to record the entire screen or a selected portion with the record controls. Start recording and confirm you hear system audio captured in the file while still hearing it on your speakers or headphones. Finally, handle permissions and common problems before recording important audio. Open System Preferences and go to Security and Privacy, then Microphone, and enable QuickTime Player. If recordings are silent, reopen Audio MIDI Setup to confirm the multi-output device includes Black Hole and the device is selected in Sound Output. Test playback using a music app while watching the input levels in QuickTime. Adjust volume levels in sound settings or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.